say about riding a bicycle? A tricycle, I should say. Uy. Ay, so how do you feel? How do you feel riding this one? We will leave our van here. We will bring this home. This tricycle. No, we're just ano, sa mani Suroy. Yeah. How do you feel? Dito lang to. Okay, park lang to, okay? Talk to mama. Oh, we're taking video. Ay. My socks. Yes, we're building our van there. Kaya nag-bike man ta. Oo, no, kainit diri ada. Talk to mama. Do you think this is cool?
Yeah. Hey, Mama, I want to drink my van. Dada, how about our van?
Wala man, mag-bike naman. Dadan mo.
How about our van?
Balik na ta dito, balik lang.
Balik?
Yeah, balik.
Maway po sa tayo.
Are you scared?
How about our van?
Do you think this is cool?
Yeah, onto our van.
Oh, why are you not happy?
How about our van?
Lagi dito, gipark pa.
Ando.
Paano lagi ito na to?
Ando, bring it back. On the back, on the van.
We will return this one.
Yeah, back on the van.
Oh, look at the trees.
Bring